Robot vacuum cleaners have moved from niche gadget to essential household helpers, delivering convenient daily maintenance, automated floor care, and smarter home integration. This comparison examines 5 value-to-performance leaders, spanning budget to premium, highlighting how suction power, navigation, capacity. Product number 1, Tycom Robot Vacuum. The Tycom G8000 Max is a budget-friendly 2-in-1 vacuum and mop with strong 5,000 PA suction and a sizable 450 milliliter dustbin paired with a 300 milliliter water tank. Its ultra-slim 2.99-inch profile helps it slip under low furniture, and it supports multi-control methods: app, remote, voice, button, with 4 cleaning modes: spot, edge, zigzag, and manual, making it approachable for a broad user base. The combination vacuum mop design is positioned to cut cleaning time by up to half, thanks to the integrated 450 milliliter dustbin and 300 milliliter water reservoir, which is advantageous for quick touch-ups on hard floors and light-duty mopping tasks. Product number 2, Ropac Neck Robot Vacuum Cleaner, Robot Vacuum. The Ropac Neck S1 offers 4,000 Pascal suction with a 4-stage water adjustment system for its integrated mop, delivering customized dampening to handle different stains. It emphasizes personalized cleaning via app, voice, and remote control, with multi-mode cleaning and automatic recharging. Its design targets pet households with no entanglement hair management through dual rotating side brushes, reducing hair tangling versus traditional brushes. In use, the S1's 120-minute runtime aligns with mid-range expectations, and its 3-point cleaning system provides effective coverage across hard floors and low-pile carpets. Product number 3, Shark AV2501AE AI Robot Vacuum with XL HEPA Self-Empty Base. Shark's AV2501AE is the premium pick in this set, featuring LiDAR-based navigation, a self-emptying base with XL 60-day capacity, and robust HEPA filtration. It's designed to deliver methodical cleaning patterns via matrix clean navigation and true allergen control, reinforced by an adaptable carpet/hard floor algorithm and a strong self-cleaning brush roll, great for pet hair and dander. The package includes a self-empty base and a high-quality filter system, leveraging Shark's reputation for durability and support. In everyday use, the AV2501AE delivers dependable performance with 120-minute runtimes and recharge and resume. Product number 4, Tycom Robot Vacuum. Tycom's L8000 Plus pairs 6,000 PA suction with a 3-liter self-emptying dust bag and LiDAR navigation for robust multi-floor mapping. The 6,000 PA peak suction, combined with automatic suction boost on carpet, is designed to tackle deep-seated dirt and pet hair more aggressively than typical budget models. The 360-degree LiDAR, multi-floor map storage, up to 5, and no-go, no-mop zone features give it strong control of cleaning zones in larger homes. In practice, the L8000 Plus emphasizes hands-off maintenance, offering a 150-minute runtime and auto recharge and resume. The 3-liter self-emptying base drastically reduces manual emptying, which is a meaningful saving for busy households. Product number 5, iLife V2 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. iLife V2 represents a budget-conscious option with a 120-minute battery life, slim 2.99-inch profile, and tangle-free suction designed to minimize hair wrap. This model focuses on essential cleaning capabilities with auto-docking, multiple cleaning modes, and a remote control for straightforward operation. It appeals to users who want reliable everyday cleaning without advanced mapping or self-emptying features. Practically, the V2 performs well on hard floors and low-pile carpets, leveraging infrared sensors to avoid stairs and collisions. The 12-month warranty and US support are strengths in the budget category. The main limitations are the smaller feature set,